vibing. Actually, today is my birthday. Okay, so this is my first present from who? Let me just open this.
From whom?
From who? Maybe mom or dad.
You read it. You read it.
I read.
Other side.
The other side? Where the other side? Huh. Looks like from my mom. Because it feels so soft. Because last year she gifted me a soft thingy. No time for another one. Nani? Oh, what's that? Oh. It's free real steak. It's free real steak, boys. Oh my
Can I
god.
see?
It's enough. Thanks, Mama. Salam. Thank you. Thanks, Mom. Next is from my dad. It is pretty small. Wait, let me just
Look at the back. Look at the back.
I saw that back. It's my channel.
Can I see?
Subscribe. So, subscribe now. Do it. You will get 10 years of good luck. That's the trends.
Get it. Careful. Also YouTube.
Maybe.
What's that?
From my dad. Because
Careful enough.
oh man. Shoes, boy, shoes. Shoes. I know it. What's that? It is a karaoke. Thank you, Dad and Mom, because I love the gifts. To the round and time to sing some Creeper Oman. Shark feels her body. Alright guys, that's it. Subscribe. You will get 10 years of good luck, and hit the like button and share. Goodbye. To place
To the darkest of my heart, don't find place for you to stay. Even if I'm around the close stars, it's true, babe. All my emotions are figureheadless. I had a heart left just for you to stay. For you to stay. Just for you to stay. For you to stay. There you last. Now your shine's over. You and you smile. Washes off my head, sorrow. You supposed to go to me, but I still can't give myself away to you. To the darkest of my heart, come on.